Good morning, Wall Street winners. It is Tuesday, June the 18th, and we are in for a pre-holiday trading day. It's looking like the markets are fairly flat. The Nasdaq's up 44 points pre-market. We're about 50 minutes or an hour-ish away from the open today. We're going into Juneteenth holiday tomorrow on Wednesday the 19th, so probably not as much volume as we typically see in the market in most days, but that should pick up on possibly pick up on Thursday or Friday. It may just be a slow week overall. If we go back over to the Yahoo app and take a look at where things are today, what we'll see is there's very little movement in the health and retail sector. So if we look at health and retail, everything's kind of hovering around where it closed yesterday with a little bit of movement pre-market. If we go down into transports, JB Hunt had a good day yesterday, regaining some ground. So it dipped at the open and then recovered to be up almost $1.75 by the end of the day. So that was a good little trade. Watch for another dip in that today. If it pulls back into the 157, 156 range, probably worth having a look at because it should get back up into the 158, 160s. If we look at oil is, crude is up for the day and it broke through the $80 mark. So that's a good sign. It should pull up the rest of the oil refining stocks. I expect that these will continue to increase over the remainder of June and into July. So there may be some attractive opportunities there. CrowdStrike took a dive at open yesterday, but then recovered to be up almost $5. I think what we're seeing there is really thanks to the inclusion in the S&P 500. So it's still pulling it upwards. Apple's been on a bit of a tear recently. ARM is just going crazy and continuing its upward trend with the focus on AI and the semiconductor space. Meta dropped down into the 490s yesterday. It was a good deal to pick up and closed at 506. And then NVIDIA continued strong. It was down at the end of the day, so it might be worth a look there, but it is up pre-market. So that's where we are today. Good luck with your trades.